a river's tale. Look careful at the picture of the river, read the words given below. Use these words to make a story, give a title to your story also. So in this previous video, we have seen pictures about a river story. There is too many words: goat, flowing water, blue, fish, water plants, river, fowl, smell, big ship, oil, river banks, factories, washing clothes, animals, other changes, city. So, river's agony. Okay. Flowing water in the river brings the memory of all times in the mind of river. Gone are the days when she used to be happy, dancing and flowing all the way to the sea. She was greeted by less clean crop fields in the river bank. White fishes playing in the blue water was a real treat to eyes. People used boat to cross and catch fishes. Now things have changed. The waste chemicals having foul smell are thrown into river water. Big ships which burn spoil oil run our river. This kill the water plants. Washing clothes, bathing animals, and other works add salt to the injury. All wastes from city are dumped into the river. So this स्टोरी है कि किस प्रकार एक नदी बहती है, उसके बाद उसमें कहाँ से गुजरती है, इसमें कि वेस्ट मिडल डंप होता जाता है, जिसकी वजह से जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स हैं, प्लांट्स हैं, ट्रीज़ हैं, ये सब क्या जाते हैं, क्षतिग्रस्त होते हैं या फिर उनको नुकसान पहुँचता है. So all these changes made river unhappy. The golden memories of all days bring tears to the river. और उसको बहुत दुख होता है कि मैं पहले जब इसके ओरिजिन होती है तो बहुत ही वो फ्रेश होती है, और जब वो सागर में मिलती है तब बिल्कुल उसमें बहुत सारे वेस्ट मटेरियल मिल जाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो दुखी होती है. ओके, क्वेश्चन आंसर. Look at the pictures again and answer the following questions. What is the color of the river where it begins? It is colorless. It is colorless. Number 2. At some places there are many fishes in the river. At some places there are few, and some there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. So the fishes need fresh and water. People throw their useless materials into water. The water at that place becomes unfit for fishes. What can be seen in the river before it reaches the village? Large number of fishes can be seen because water is pure and fresh. At which place did the color of the river water change? Why did that happen? Discuss. The color of the river changes where there are factory nearby. This is because factory water are dumped into river. Question number 5. Which of the place shown in the pictures would you like to live in? I would like to live in the place shown in the lower figure. It is more clean. Number 6. Would you like to change any of the things that you see in the picture? Why? I would like to remove the waste material from the bank of the river. This is because these wastes will contaminate the water. This is page number 108. Question number 1. If you wanted to drink some water, from which part of the river would you like to drink? I would like to drink water from a little deep below the surface. There is less dirty. In the last part of the picture, the river flows into the sea. Have you ever seen the sea where in film or anywhere else? So you can write your own answer here. I have seen Puri. Puri is in Odisha. Have you ever been near a river or sea? I was near the river Ganges with my parents when I was in third standard. So you can. This is your own answer. How do the sea waves move? सी की जो वेव्स होती हैं किस प्रकार मूव करती हैं, तो अप एंड डाउन, द सी वेव्स मूव अप एंड डाउन, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे, देखा ना लहरें। कैन यू ड्रिंक द सी वाटर? नो, वी कांट ड्रिंक सी वाटर बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी साल्टी। Number 6, do you think that there would be some changes that take place in a river, pond or stream throughout the year? What kind of change may take place? Discuss. So your answer is yes. During the rainy season, there is maximum water. During winters, there is very little water. Pond, stream, etc. may even get dry. So rainy season में जो पानी का फ्लो था वो ज़्यादा होता है। Page number 109, question number 1. Will there be the same amount of water in the pond, rivers during the rainy season and in the summer? So our answer is no. There is more water in the rainy season compared to summer season. Is there a pond, river or lake near your town or city? So question number first is, are there any changes in the water in summer, rainy season or winter? So you can write here, yes, this is a change during rainy season. There is more water. The water becomes more muddy in winter and starting of summer. There is very little water in ponds. Some may even dry up. What kinds of fishes are found there? So there are many kinds of fishes, small, big, like the shark, angelfish, dolphin, whalefish, starfish, tuna fish. What kind of trees and plants grow around there? Lotus, giant lily, water lily, crowfoot, sea palm, grass, banana, hydrilla. What kind of birds come there? So many kinds of birds, crane, duck. Have you ever seen or read or heard about floods? Okay, floods means होता है बाढ़ आना. Okay, so this is your own answer. What happens when there is a flood? So there is excess of water everywhere. वाटर की जो मात्रा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. Water enters even in houses. People suffer a lot. Have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Yes. How can you know if the water is dirty? If the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is all right to drink that water? Pure water is clean and clear. Dirty water is not so. Even if the water looks clean, it may not be all right to drink water. It may contain germs that cause disease. बहुत सारे डिजीज होते हैं, cholera, typhoid, dysentery. Yes, this is a activity. So this is your for your homework. आपको ये activity आपको करनी है और ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं इनकी फाइल आपको मिल जाएगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में. ओके, आई होप सबको ये समझ में आएगा अच्छे से. थैंक यू वेरी मच.